Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell and show you how to disable screen time without password. Please subscribe to the channel, write your comments, give your likes. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go into the phone settings. Next, we select screen time. And we scroll down to the bottom. If you select Turn off app and website activity and click on it, you'll see that the phone asks you to enter your password. But if you don't remember it, then there's another method. Then we need to select Change Screen Time Passcode. Then turn off Screen Time Passcode. And here we select Forgot Passcode. Once we have selected that we don't remember our password, we need to enter our Apple ID address. Now click OK. And now we enter the password to our Apple ID. Click Done. Alright, as you can see here, we changed the setting. Now when we click Turn off app, we're going to click again. As you can see, we now have the screen time password function gone. This is a quick way to turn off screen time without password if you forget it. I hope this video was useful for you. Give us your likes, comments, subscribe to the channel. See you later.